hello guys, today we'll be playing didnt. Get freaked. Oh nah, it's a special round. Dynamic. What? Norfolk, yeah, Norfolk. Yeah. Oh no.
5, 4, 3.
Oh no. No. Fuck you. Team, it's team. Ow. Run! What weapon? Holy shit! Which wow! Oh, oh, oh. Guess I'm being chased here. Oh, I'm taking this. Hey, nah, hey, nah. Holy shit! Go inside. Die. Oh shit! Oh shice! Oh! Wow! That is high! Mierda, mierda, mierda! Corre, 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 corre! I'm gonna get knocked on! Fuck!
Not a chance.
No, I'm gonna be alive here! Ah! Ah! Help me! Ow! Oh. No! Oh my god! What is that? What is that? Whoa, what is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Ha ha ha! Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh my god! What was that round? Plus 4 is 13. Oh no, Mr. Bob. Harder now. Bro, how's it have space in his name? How do you have a space in your name? Like how? Yeah, he's dancing. Who is fantasy. Bro, what? Why are you looking at me like that? I'm looking for a body of the game so you can hear my voice. Okay. Okay, you can hear it perfectly. Excuse me? For how much am I recording? Yeah.
5, 4,
I've been recording for 5.
2, 1.
Fresh meat.
Ooh, love shots. Yo, I throw shots of love. Do y'all want some? Y'all want some love shots? Okay, so where's the Killardo? Oh. Run, guys! Run! He's a cannibal, yeah. What, I don't know if he's human or not, to be honest. Come out here, freaking wuss. Bro, you have a lot of... Oh yeah. That's cool. Wait, I'll save you. I'll save you. Nah, I don't know what he is. Why did you die? Oh wait, he did die. I wanna fight. I'm in a reposition. Bro, oh, y'all are evil. Deal. Also, guys, happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. Y'all guys need help here. I need help. Oh, no. I could have shot. See? When? Hey, John, Bubba. Who's he killing? Sam, Bubba. Sam. That's her killing? Wow, fake. Brother, we're so good at this game. We're so good at the game. Hey, Shna, brother. I'll misclick type beat. Oh, you. I know what I'm saying. Bro, it's not cool. Oh, what? Yeah, we won. Okay, guys, like, I know you probably want more of this, but like for now, this is the end of the video. Like, yeah, but guys, bye guys, and Happy New Year's, guys. I know it's late, but Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys like my content. I'll give you more content. Don't worry, I'll deliver.